Our main focus and the unique content of this masterclass is going through the 5-step design process that me and my company, the Octalysis group, regularly performs on other clients. So these are the 5 steps that we work on when we engage with clients. And we talk about these are very large companies from Volkswagen, Porsche, to Aperam, which is the largest steel manufacturer in the world. And usually going through these 5 steps, we charge our clients anywhere between $80,000 to $140,000. So a lot of clients see that value, and they see that when you go through these 5 steps, you maximize the probability of success. And so we use this process because we know that this process is tried and true. The first part of the 5-step process is define the strategy dashboard. We're in healthcare, we're in finance, we're in education, we work with many insurance companies. And so there's no way we could be an expert in any one of these fields. However, we can be an expert in how the brain works. So as long as we gather a few pieces of information, such as who you're targeting, who are the target audience, and what are the desired actions, what are the rewards you could give them, what are the feedback mechanics, then we're able to craft an engaging experience. So once we have the strategy dashboard, then we go into what we call the Octalysis brainstorming phase, which is we go through those 4 phases of the player's experience: discovery, onboarding, scaffold, and endgame. We apply the 8 core drives into all 4 phases. And so we come up with a variety of ideas that are meant to improve the business metrics through desired actions via those 8 core drives. Then we go to the 3rd phase, which is the PE feature list. And PE stands for power and ease. So this is the process to narrow it all down into what are the doable features that are low-hanging fruits but very effective. And for each idea, we label a power score for them, which is how powerful it is to drive desired behavior, and an E score, which is how easy it is for the client to implement this. And after we have the 2 scores, then we have a formula to combine those 2 scores. So we're able to sign off on, okay, these are the 12 things we actually want in the player experience. Then we go into the 4th phase, which is a battle plan spreadsheet. So this is all the details of the player journey. So whenever you have things like probability events, there's an Easter egg, there's a mystery box, what's the probability, what's the math? And all those things are defined in the battle plan spreadsheet. And then finally, the last step is the concept wireframes, which is how does all that thinking and planning and designing go into the interface where we interact with the users, what they see, what they feel, what they touch. So at the end of this process, we usually deliver these concept wireframes and the battle plan spreadsheet to the clients, and oftentimes they have graphic designers to fully refine the wireframes into their own branding colors, and then they use the battle plan to really understand on each level. And this is the main content of the masterclass. The goal is to be able to get you to do these things on your own for your own project.